myself Rushal Godke, and these are my group members Pranav Kamble, Sudeep Adsoe, and Prasad Mane. We are going to present the characteristics of DC motor. First of all, DC motor is the device which converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. It works on the principle that when current carrying conductor placed in a magnetic field, it experiences a force. This force is called as Lorentz force. So in DC motor, there are three characteristics curves are considered important for this DC motor. First is the torque versus armature current. Second is the speed versus armature current, and third is the speed versus torque.
My name is Pranav Subhash Kamble, and first characteristic which I am going to explain is torque and armature current characteristics. So torque is proportional to the armature current, hence the torque and armature characteristics is a straight line through the origin. So here we can see two straight lines, that is armature torque and shaft torque. Second characteristics is speed and armature current, that is N and LA. As flux phi is assumed to be constant, we can say that speed is directly proportional to the backing EMF, but no back EMF is also almost constant. That's why the speed should remain constant ideally, but practically phi as well as backing EMF, that is phi means flux as well as backing EMF decreases with increasing load.
Myself Prasad Vishnu Mane. I explaining characteristic of DC shunt motor. This is third characteristic, speed versus torque. This characteristic is also called as mechanical characteristic. It can be found that when speed is high, then torque is low, and when torque is high, then speed is low. It is inversely proportional. As you seen in a figure, the graph of speed versus torque is inclined straight line. The first characteristic of DC series motor is torque versus armature current. This characteristic is also known as electric characteristic. We know that the torque is directly proportional to the product of armature current and field flux. As you seen in figure, the graph torque versus armature current is parabolic because of armature current and field current is equal.
Hello, my name is Sudeep Udaykumar Adsoe. I am presenting next characteristics of DC series motor, speed versus armature current. As you can see in figure, speed is inversely proportional to the armature current. It is a parabolic curve. Next characteristic of DC series motor is speed versus torque. It is also called as mechanical characteristic. It is found when speed is high, torque is low. It is inversely proportional to each other. It can in parabolic form.